Example 2 says Ellie is working on a farm in her town. She learns that she will be planting 25,000 cucumber seeds on a quarter acre of land. What is the planting density of the cucumber seeds? So again, we're still looking for density. So density is going to be our total number of whatever we're talking about. In this case, we're talking about cucumber seeds. So 25,000 cucumber seeds divided by our area, and our area is 1/4 acre. So let's see what we're doing here. So we're going to do 25,000 divided by 1/4, and that gives us 100,000. So that means there's going to be 100,000 cucumber seeds per acre. And the second one, a small goat dairy farm has 38 acres of land, so that's our area, and 210 goats, that's our population. Calculate the density of goats per acre. So 210 goats they have 38 acres. So 210 divided by 38, we get 5.5. And again, we're talking about goats. Can't really have half a goat here. So I'm going to round that up to 6. So we're going to say 6 goats per acre.